Hey, it's Krista with WTI. What's better, being good at something or being great at something? Well, the answer's easy, right? We all want to be great at the things that we do in life. And this book, Good to Great by Jim Collins, was something that I read as a professional development book, but I really was able to pull out concepts that I could apply in my daily life. One strategy that's discussed in detail in this book is called the hedgehog concept. And this, in simple terms, is finding the intersection of what you're naturally talented at, what you're very passionate at doing, and what generates revenue for you while you're doing them. There was a quote in this book that I really appreciated that says, "A hedgehog concept is not a goal to be the best, a strategy to be the best, an intention to be the best, a plan to be the best. It is an understanding of what you can be the best at." Now, this distinction is absolutely crucial. You find out what you're great at, and then you execute. So whether you're looking to take your professional or personal life from good to great, you'll benefit from the strategies in this book. And that's my point of view.